Everyone wants change, but nobody wants to change. Keeping in a view of a sentence, I started my journey from pre-medical to accounting and finance. I am Udesh Kumar, son of Dr. Mahesh Kumar. I have done my primary education from my native city, Shadatkot, and I have done intermediate and pre-medical from Cadet College, Larkana, due to my family background. Later, I changed my mind and decided to join Institute of Business Management for Accounting and Finance. There was a reason to change my mind towards accounting and finance. Actually, I was highly motivated by my cousin who is working as an auditor. My mentors and counselors made me aware to the world of business and acknowledged me to the terms of accounting and finance. Whether it is making financial investments, spending, managing, recording, accounting is finance is something we all do in our daily life. We know well that if we are spending more than what is coming in, it hasn't been managed well. I want to gain more understanding about the science of accounting and financial management and how it benefits the economy. I believe that accounting and finance is a perfect career for me because it will give me perfect foundation on which I may build my career. As the scope of accounting and finance is increasing day by day, I have observed every organization in my society, whether it is entertainment or industry, science and technology, needs a man with perfect business skills. For that, I want to join Institute of Business Management to excel in accounting and finance to lead my career to top. Behind these all, I am keenly interested in activities like playing sports, running, and debate. In spare time, I usually read novels, read books, watch movies, and listen to news too. As I belong to rural area, I dream to be an entrepreneur, and I struggle for it since my college days. And that struggle motivates me toward the Institute of Business Management. When I came to know Institute of Business Management believes in entrepreneurship that can increase my interest. Institute of Business Management is best institution in form of faculty, infrastructure, and management. Moreover, the facilities are available to students to feel them pleasure and pride to be the part of this great institution. Overall, I am passionate about studying accounting and finance because I am highly motivated to join Institute of Business Management. I know to be successful at university it includes hard work and dedication, both of which I have, and I am ready to progress in next level in my studies. I wanted to be selected in this great institution because I believe this institution can polish my abilities, which may lead me consequently to the great path of great personalities.